Did you know that 42% of people that write down their goals actually achieve their goals? How about you? When was the last time that you took the time to sit down and write out your plan, your goals, your dreams, and then action steps, or if you will, a business plan? If you are ready to amp up your 2020, you're ready to put those visions, those goals, those desires on paper, roll up your sleeves and do the work to create your 2020 plan, then this is for you. I'm inviting you to my pop-up vision mapping business planning workshop, which is December 6th, right here in Anchorage, Alaska. Very limited seating. I have 20 seats. I have 25, 5 are already taken. Steal of a deal, $297, 10:30 to 3:30. You will leave with your completed plan for 2020. Are you ready? Are you ready to do the work, to achieve the results, to have 2020 be your best year yet? Join me and some other like-minded people that are looking to achieve the success that they desire in 2020. Details in the link below. Limited seating. You want to sign up now, December 6th. I look forward to seeing many of you there. Thanks so much. Happy day.